Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. This is a 2023 Traverse LT all-wheel drive. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, loaded up, beautiful shape. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a quick walk around, then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Really nice. Blacked out wheels, 360 camera, loaded up, beautiful condition. All right, let's go ahead and take a closer look. We'll take it panel by panel now, show you the condition of the vehicle. Beautiful shape. All right, front bumper's in outstanding shape. Look at that. Looks amazing. Very nice. Beautiful condition. It's a little blemish here on the chrome. Besides that, looks good. Lights in good shape. Upper lights in beautiful condition. Grill's in beautiful condition. Look at that. The other headlamps also in beautiful shape. Take a quick look here. Front camera's right there. Lower bumper, beautiful shape. Does have the little mounting bracket for your front license plate if you need it. Lower lights in beautiful condition, very nice. Take a look at the hood. Hood's in good shape. Does have a couple little chip marks here in the edge from the road. Besides that, looks very nice. All right, let's take a look at the front fender on the driver's side. Beautiful condition, clean throughout. Really outstanding shape. Taking a look at the driver door. Driver door's in amazing condition, super nice. It's got running boards on it, check it out. Rear door on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Taking a look at the quarter panel here on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Really nice shape. Does have a tiny little dent right there. Besides that, looks good. Walking around the back here, rear hatch is in good shape. Glass is in beautiful condition, very nice. Does have a little dent here and here. Besides, that's in good shape. The rest of the door looks good, very nice. Also two little dents right there. Besides, that's in beautiful condition. Lower bumper's in good shape, no scratches or damage on that. Looks very nice. Beautiful condition. All right, let's take a look at the quarter panel here. On the passenger side, beautiful condition, very nice. Let's have a tiny little dent right there. Besides, that's in good shape. Very nice condition overall. Rear door on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Clean throughout, very nice shape. Does have another little dent right up there. Front door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Take a look at the front. Passenger side fender, beautiful condition, very nice. Let's take a look at the windshield real quick. Looks good on this side, don't see any trips or anything on there. Let's take a look at the roof. Let's walk the roof real quick. Nice condition overall, beautiful shape. All right, let's take a look at the windshield on this side. Beautiful condition on this side, super clean. Really great shape. Just have a tiny little blemish there on the windshield. Besides that, it's really nice. Beautiful condition all the way through. All right, that concludes our walk around on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we'll take a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition. Looks outstanding. Very nice. All right, take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in beautiful condition. Really amazing shape. Full power with lumbar. Full set of floor mats. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Very nice condition all the way through. Looks beautiful. Okay, we'll take a look at the passenger door panel in the front. Amazing condition. Looks clean throughout. Look at that. Very nice condition. Let's take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Full set of floor mats, dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Brand new condition all the way through. Very nice. Okay, we'll take a look at the second row. Doors in beautiful condition. Door panel's in really outstanding shape. Look at the armrest, looks beautiful. A little bit of storage there on the bottom. Second row of seating looks amazing. Very nice. Full set of floor mats, looks beautiful. Controls here for the rear AC. And down below there, you can see the USB plugs. Very nice. Let's take a look at the third row. Third row is in amazing condition. Looks super nice. Beautiful condition throughout. Little USB plugs for the rear passengers here in the third row. Very nice, really amazing condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger door panel. Beautiful condition, clean throughout, really nice shape. All right, let's take a look at the second row seating. Super nice, seats super clean. Really outstanding shape, beautiful condition all the way through. All right, let's take a look at the third row. A lot of space to get in here, look at that. Full set of floor mats. Beautiful condition all the way through. Third row looks amazing. Very nice. Beautiful shape all the way through. Greetings. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the interior of this one. This is in beautiful shape here. This is a 2023 Traverse LT all-wheel drive. Take a look at the key fob, beautiful condition. So we're gonna set the key down right here. We're gonna do the push button start here. Let's go. Starts up perfect, look at that. Amazing. Look at all the gauges, fully functional. They go all the way up and down. GM products usually do that to verify that the gauges are working correctly. So that's super nice. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features, but let's look at the mileage first. This one has 58,617 miles. 58,617 miles, good mileage for 23. RPMs, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, miles per hour, very nice. It's got a little information center you can click through here. Check that out. Shows you the oil life, the radio station is on, you're facing east. If your Bluetooth is connected, you can see your phone connected there when somebody calls you. This is pretty much all the settings and stuff on there. That's nice. So we're gonna go ahead and put it back on. Miles per hour, okay. 47 miles still empty. It's sitting in park. We're facing northeast. Okay, here's another feature here. The cruise controls here, right next to it here is the collision detection in the front. So you can set up the distance alert. So we'll leave it further away is better. All right, so that's it with the cluster. Okay, this for the turning signals. Here we go. The right one's working fine. Left one works perfect. Front and rear wiper controls. Dashboard looks amazing, really outstanding shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition all the way through. Beautiful display in the center. Down below here, climate control. We have 3 zones. One for the passenger in the front, one for the driver, and one for the rear passengers. And this one has heated seats. Nice for cold weather. Look at that. 3 settings for the heat. And then you can turn the dial here to set one temperature here for the passenger. It will show up here on the screen. And one for the driver. That's super nice. Down below there, you got a power plug there, USB plugs and auxiliary. Down below that, wireless charger for your phone. Automatic transmission. This is a 2-wheel drive mode right now, and here's the all-wheel drive mode. So you can click it like that, it goes to all-wheel drive. It shows it up here, going to all-wheel drive. And now it's an all-wheel drive. And then if you're gonna be in slippery weather, you can put it on that one there. We'll put it back on 2-wheel drive here. There you go. That's the engine bypass in case you don't want it to turn off at the light to save fuel. The lane alert, the keep lane alert. Parking brake release, super nice condition. Up above here, this is nice. This one has a regular mirror and then it has a backup camera mirror, which is super nice. Up above here, garage door openers here. OnStar, your courtesy lights, super nice. That's pretty much it on that. We're gonna go ahead and check out the radio real quick. This is a nice feature this one has. It has a hideaway compartment here in the center. You can put your valuables in there or whatever and close it up. Nobody can open it unless the vehicle's running. That's super nice. All right, so let's take a look. So these are the apps. Let's go back to the home page here. So right now it's showing us there's no phone connected, showing a radio station is on. We click home here. You have Alexa. You have the audio. We'll click on that. Audio. So you have AM, FM, XM radio, Bluetooth, and Amazon for sources on the music. Go back to home again. Phone. Your phones are connected there. Your Wi-Fi settings, if you're going to subscribe to that. Users, in case you want to set those up. Settings on the vehicle. So that's the system settings. Apps. Vehicle settings. Collision detection right there. forward collision detection, front passenger detection, front pedestrian detection, sorry, lane change alert, rear cross traffic, rear pedestrian detection. Super nice. Go back again here, go back again. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You got your apps, you can go in there and download more apps. OnStar service, their climate, check that out. Front and rear. Right now the rear's off, but 3 zones, that's nice. Go back again. Rear controllers right there in case you just want to do the rear. We were just there a moment ago. The cameras, I'll show you that in a moment. When we do the test drive, I'll show you all the cameras, all the functions on that one. Chevrolet Maps, you got to download that, an update. Spotify, My Chevrolet, and XM. All right, pretty much that's it. All right, we're going to take it for a test drive in a moment, guys. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right, all set. Take it for a test drive here. Here we go. So smooth. Very nice. Feels amazing. Really smooth. Really great drive. Check out that rear view camera. That is so clear back there. Look at that. That is so nice. All right, we're gonna go ahead and turn around. Brakes feel good. Stops on a dime. Really nice drive. Really smooth. Quick acceleration. Drives amazing. Look at that. So quick. All right, here we go. Next step is we're going to go ahead and check out our 360 camera view. All right, so we're just going to back up here. We're going to pick a spot. We'll back it right up. Here we go. You can see there, you can see the view from above. I'm going to get really close there and turn the wheel. Those little lines there let you know which way you're rolling back. Super nice. Look at that. What a great feature. So we're backing up here. Get a little bit closer. Here we are, parked perfectly. All right. So that's pretty much our test drive here. I'm going to take a closer look here now. You can click this here for a closer view of the rear. So if you're going to do anything like hitch a boat or something, you can see back there pretty well. If you click it again, you'll be able to see the front view in case you're going to park somewhere or whatever. There's a sidewalk in front of you, you don't want to hit it. That's nice. Or you can go back to here. These are the side views in case you're parking in a tight spot. Also in the back. And this is for the lines right there. So we're going to go ahead and put it back to normal. That's the front view, the rear view. All right, that concludes our test drive, guys. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires, take a look under the hood. We'll be right back. Okay, we're going to take a look at the cargo area in the back. This one has a push button rear hatch, so we're going to press this button twice. There you go. Door opens up automatically. Very nice. Take a look at this. Beautiful condition back here. Rug's in beautiful shape back here. Little plug-ins there for power. Down below here, storage compartment down there. Beneath that, there's a spare tire. Looks amazing. Really nice condition. Beautiful shape. Let's go ahead and close this here with the button here on the vehicle. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment on this one. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful shape. Looks amazing. Very nice. Really outstanding condition. Beautiful shape throughout. Take a look at the hood on the bottom. Looks amazing. Quick look here at the emission sticker. Looks beautiful. Very nice condition. Take a look at the front tire here on the driver's side. Beautiful condition. A lot of tread on there. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Looks beautiful. Very nice. We'll take a look at the rear tire. Rear tire is in amazing shape. Looks really nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that. Really outstanding shape. We'll take a look at the rear tire here on the passenger side. Amazing condition. Look at that. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Looks really nice. Amazing condition. All right, we'll take a look at the front tire here on the passenger side. Tire looks amazing. Beautiful condition. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice condition all the way through. Well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2023 Chevrolet Traverse LT all-wheel drive. You guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.